We're all busy, and sometimes there's just not enough time to complete a full wash on your car. So where's the most important area to make a good first impression when picking up your coworkers, your mother-in-law, or that hot date? Here's your triage guide to the less gross car in just a few minutes.
First, quickly remove all the loose items in the car. Throw away empty water bottles, hide your stinky workout bag, and empty your cup holder of gum and candy bar wrappers. Be forewarned that if you squirrel away your junk in the trunk, inevitably your new passenger will be lugging a suitcase and will need you to pop the trunk, so always have a handy grocery bag to corral and conceal your unmentionables. I'm very much against not taking the time to properly wash your car. However, if the car is not filthy and if you're in a time crunch, follow these steps to minimize scratching during the wash. First, rinse down the paint and wheels with a hose to knock off the loose dust and dirt and to lubricate the paint. Next, soak a microfiber towel with water, then wring it out. Spray a specialized lubricant and drying agent on the microfiber towel. Dry the car to a shine and rotate the towel as it becomes soiled and repeat the steps. With an old towel, quickly dry the rubber and add tire dressing. Depending on the style, color, and material of your wheel, you may be able to lightly wipe down the spokes, but this is on a case-by-case basis. It's not worth scratching a wheel over this, so skip it if it's super dirty. Since you're in a rush, the car may not be 100% dry, but by the time you pick up your new passenger, it'll look pretty good. There's no time to break out the vacuum, but you can pull the mats out and beat them with your hand to release the heavy stuff. Although it's not perfect, it can be completed in seconds and make a world of difference to your passenger. There's a lot of dirty areas that you can hide or sweep under the rug when cleaning your car in a rush. Glass, however, is not one of them. You and your passenger will need to look out the windshield when you're driving. With a towel and glass cleaner at the ready, start on the passenger side of the car. Spray 3 or 4 squirts of glass cleaner onto your towel. Then flip your hand over so that your arm can reach the lowest part of the windshield. Work 1/3 of the glass at a time. Then immediately follow up with a dry microfiber towel and repeat the steps for the outside of the glass as well. If your phone isn't blowing up with "Where are you?" texts by now, then spend 10 to 15 seconds wiping down the center console and dashboard with a leather and plastic cleaner and a microfiber towel, or a damp microfiber towel, or even a dry microfiber towel if you're trying to shave 5 seconds off your time.
Our cars are an extension of ourselves, and although we'd love to spend 3 hours meticulously detailing every nook and cranny, when we're in a rush, it's just not possible. But with Triage cleaning these hot spots, your guests will never know the difference. If you found this video helpful, please share and keep up with all the latest details by liking or subscribing to the Autoblog page. I'm Larry Casilla from AmmoNYC.com. Thanks for watching.